Hi and welcome. I'm Dean, your local emergency management officer from the Hunuri District Council, and I'll be helping you with this quick tutorial, aka Soldiers 5, on how to use the Council's community-driven road safety map. Once in the map, you want to proceed as guest, okay, which allows all the comments to remain anonymous. It also comes up with a quick how-to guide at the front, but after you've watched this, it should be pretty self-explanatory. Before you start exploring the map, it's important to select which of the concerns you would like to report on the right-hand side of the page. If you have several concerns, you'll have the option to select another one later on. It's important not to start zooming in before doing this, as the map will bring you right back out to the stage where you get to choose your concern again, and all your critical zooming will be lost. So click on your concerns early. Then start zooming into where it is that's important, and it's important to remember we are only reporting concerns about the Haradui District Council's roading network. Alright, so if you're wondering about any of those little yellow bone-shaped icons on the map, or symbols on the map, they're just bridges. So, I've selected a spot on my way to work in Amberley. Once you're at the located spot, we're going to drop a pin from the right-hand top of the page there, and click on your concern to add your point. Now you follow the prompts on the right hand side of the page, and that'll help us to details with your concern. Look at that, something that I prepared earlier. Right, to seal the deal, last but not least, hit report at the bottom there and you're done. If you'd like to add another concern to the map, hit this back button at the top right until you get back to the selected areas where the concerns pop up again. Right, that's it. You're on your way to helping us improve 1,600 k's of local roads. Thanks so very much for your time, as your experience on these roads is what drives us.